Good day, teacher. I am Janelle Laurente, and as part of our research entitled Exploring the Effectiveness of Reciprocal Teaching Strategy in Improving the Reading Comprehension among the grade 4 learners, I am pleased to present this audio-video teaching guide for English 4, Quarter 1, Module 6, the Word of Reality and Fantasy. This video will serve as your step-by-step guide in teaching how learners can distinguish between events that are real and fantasy through guided reading and discussion. Begin your lesson by showing the What I Know part of the module. Let the learners read its questions carefully and choose the correct answer. After that, ask them these questions such as which of these events that are real or fantasy. This activates predicting step, the first step of the reciprocal teaching strategy. Learners begin to think and make guesses about what is real or imaginary based on their experience. Next, proceed to the story titled Leah and the Moon. Read the story aloud with clear expression and show the illustration if available. After reading the story, ask this question. What did Leah see when she looked out the window? Was the story real or fantasy? This helps learners clarify what makes a story real or make-believe and improve their comprehension through guided question. Next, let's proceed to the What is it activity. So, in this section, explain the meaning of the reality and fantasy. Reality means events or situations that can really happen in real life, while fantasy means things that only happens through imagination. After that, provide example from the module. Example of reality. Babies cry when they are hungry. And fantasy, the tree talked to the boy. After that, ask the learners these questions. What makes the first statement real? And why can't the second one never happen? Next, let's proceed to the What's More activity. This practice makes perfect. Guide learners through the activities under What's More activity. For activity 1, show pictures and ask them to mark check if the picture is real and X if fantasy. In activity 2, read each sentence and have them write whether it is reality or fantasy. After they answer the activity, ask them this question. Can this really happen in real life? And is this something only from imagination? This encourages learners to clarify and summarize what they've learned about reality and fantasy through example. And now let's proceed in What I Have Learned section. In this part, help learners recall what they've learned by answering the closed days or reflection question. Ask them this question. How can you tell if something is real or fantasy? What words help you know the difference? This encourages them to share their answers aloud. This promotes summarizing the final step of reciprocal teaching as they express what they've learned in their own work. And now let's proceed in What I Can Do activity. Now let the learners apply what they've learned through the fun and practical sentences in the What I Can Do section. Ask them to choose which sentences show reality or fantasy. This activity reinforces independent understanding through application. And now let's go to assessment. Finally, let the learners take the short quiz under assessment. They will read each statement and write whether it is real or fantasy. After checking the answer, discuss by asking this question. Why did you say this one is real? clues tell you if this is a fantasy. Remind them that reality is based on truth and experience, while fantasy is the product of imagination and creativity. And that concludes our teaching guide for English for Quarter 1, Module 6, differentiating fantasy from reality. May this guide help you bring meaningful and imaginative learning to your classroom, encouraging learners to think critically, imagine creatively, and distinguish between what is real and what is fantasy. Thank you for watching, and may your learners combine and continue to explore stories with both curiosity and understanding.